Are you tired of your screen glowing all day and draining your battery? Let me show you how to make your always on display appear only when you need it with a simple tap. On your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, this small thing can save a lot of battery while still giving you quick access to time, date, and notification. Here's how to set it up. First, go to the setting menu. To do so, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel. And then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen and AOD. Tap lock screen and AOD. Tap always on display. Tap when to show. You will see a few options here. Choose tap to show. This setting will make your always on display appear only when you tap the screen instead of staying on all the time. When you have set it, go ahead and lock your phone. Then try tapping the screen. As you can see, the AOD pop up only when you want it. And that's it. Using tap to show for always on display helps you save battery without losing the convenience of glancing at important info. It's a smart tweak that gives you more control over your phone's power and looks slick too. Just another reason to love your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.